Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. We're still trading up at all-time highs here for the S&P 500. We did briefly trade in positive territory after the US markets opened. We are currently trading all the way up at 4,285. RSI is just below 70, so we could in theory still move up a little bit higher until we are considered to be overbought. Perhaps that we'll go and target that 4,300 level. 4,300 offers a large psychological figure, so perhaps it's an area where traders are wanting to target in the upcoming trading sessions. That being said though, once we do hit that overbought territory mark on the RSI, which of course is 70, then I do anticipate a pullback. June, going into the end of June, historically is a very bearish time of the year. We haven't seen that pullback that I was anticipating. But that being said, July is historically a very bullish time of the year. In fact, out of all of the months throughout the year, July is the month that is mostly positive over the past, over the past century. For the S&P 500. So what we may see here in the S&P 500 is a switch where, June, which is typically a bearish month, actually becomes the positive month. And then in July, which is, typically the bullish month, actually becomes bearish. So I'm very, very cautious here. I don't really want to be putting too much money to work at these high levels. I think that a pullback is about to happen here. I'm not saying that we're going to completely break down towards the 200-day EMA at 3,900, for example, but what I'm looking for is, perhaps a pullback down to at least a 50-day EMA at 4,200. So don't give in to FOMO. I know that we're currently trading up at all-time highs, and it can be very, very easy to just, fall into that habit of, the fear of missing out, and you put a significant amount of your account value invested into the S&P 500 up at the all-time highs. But actually, that's one of the worst things that you can do. Okay, it's all about being patient. It's all about being a disciplined trader at these high levels and waiting for that pullback to then take full advantage of the value that is offered from any correction that may occur. So I'm going to be sitting on the sidelines here for the S&P 500. I don't really want to short the market. I got stung earlier on this week when I tried to do so. So I'm going to continue to be patient here on the sidelines, and any dip that occurs, I'm going to take full advantage of it.